Hare Krishna, dear devotees, supporters, donors, and well-wishers. Please accept our greetings from ISKCON Shri Shri Radha Madhava Mandir. As we step into the new year, we extend our heartfelt wishes to all supporters, donors, and well-wishers of ISKCON Shri Shri Radha Madhava Mandir. Your unwavering support and dedication to the mission of spreading Lord Chaitanya's teachings are a constant source of inspiration. May this new year be filled with spiritual inspiration and ever-deepening devotion to the Supreme Lord Shri Shri Radha Madhava, divine protection, good health, and prosperity for you and your families. Renewed commitment to the process of Bhakti Yoga, especially the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, joyful association or satsanga with other devotees, allowing us to support and encourage each other on the path back to Godhead. We thank you for your many continued services, for helping us build the permanent home of our beautiful Shri Shri Radha Madhava, from temple activities, cow seva, and food distribution, food for life, to preserving Vedic traditions and distributing Srila Prabhupada's books. Your contributions help bring Krishna consciousness to every town and village, a mission that is vital in these challenging times. Let us enter this new year with gratitude, unity, and a firm resolve to keep Krishna at the center of our lives. May our collective prayers and efforts to create a wave of positivity greatly needed in this world. Wishing you an auspicious and happy Krishna consciousness New Year. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shri Shri Radha Madhava ki jai, Shri Shri Panchatattva ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Nitai Gaura Premanande.